Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to remove ads in Snapchat app on Android device. Well, knowing how to remove ads in the Snapchat application can enhance your user experience by reducing interruptions and distractions while using the platform. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, open Snapchat app on your device. Well, so here you can tap your profile icon at the corner. Okay, so now enter to the settings page. And then please scroll down until you find ads option. Tap on it. Okay, and then you can click the first one. After that, you can uncheck for all of list here to remove AdSense on this application. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to remove ads in Snapchat application on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.